Children, in this class you are going to do a riddle. So, in your textbook, page number 5, you can see a riddle. You want to find it. Who am I? Who? Who am I? Find my name in the crossword and put a circle around it. One example has been given. If you got the textbook, you can do it in your textbook itself, or if you don't have the textbook also, you want to do it in your notebook, EVS notebook. You want to write down, you want to write the question and answer also. If you have the textbook, you do it, circle it. After that, you write the answer in your notebook. Okay, first question I will read. First question: banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Banana is what I love eating. This animal loves banana. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Most of the time, this animal will jump and leap. Leap means like hop. They will move from jumping. They will move from one place to another by leaping. Second question, you want to find, already it has done for you. Answer is monkey. Can you see this, children? The next question, second question, on the walls, webs I weave, where insects stick and cannot live. On the walls, you can see this animal on the walls. Webs I weave. I will make webs. What is webs, children? You can see some thread-like structures on the walls. Then weaving. Our clothes are made with thread, arranged in a particular manner. Like that, they will make some structures where insects stick and cannot live. That insects will be stuck in this web and they cannot move from there. So you want to find the answer from this one and circle it like this. Third question, I remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. This animal will always be awake. It will not sleep at night. We all will sleep at night. No, this animal will not sleep at night, but daytime it will sleep. Okay, which animal is that? Croak, croak. Croak is my sound. In water or on land, I am found. So this animal will make this sound. Croak, croak is my sound. In water or on land, I am found. Which animal? I appear after rainfall. Have no feet, so I crawl. So this animal will see after the rain. Then it has no feet, so it will crawl on the ground. Which animal is that? Last question. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. You have already heard this story and you can understand if we do something also, if we do a work in an arranged manner, if we make slowly and neatly, we will get a good result. Like that, here in this story also, we will understand about this animal. So you want to find the animal's names from this box and you want to circle it here itself, or you can do it in your notebook also. I will post a photo of this page and you can read and you can write the answer in your notebook.